Welcome to the policypass video training module on the physical environment policy. This policy ensures our indoor and outdoor spaces are safe, inclusive, and designed to support every child's learning, well-being, and development. The aim of this policy is to provide clear guidelines for designing, maintaining, and adapting all environments, ensure compliance with safety, hygiene, and accessibility standards, proactively identify and manage risks to health and safety, and promote sustainable practices and environmental responsibility. Implementation includes conducting regular safety checks and risk assessments of all spaces and equipment, maintaining clean, well-organised and hazard-free environments at all times, using age-appropriate, inclusive resources and flexible layouts to support all children, and incorporating natural elements, shade, and quiet spaces for rest and play. Management responsibilities include leading policy development, review, and communication with all stakeholders, allocating resources for maintenance, upgrades, and staff training, ensuring compliance with regulations and responding to incidents or hazards, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement and feedback. Educators and staff are responsible for setting up and maintaining safe, stimulating environments daily, supervising children actively and adapting spaces for different needs, reporting hazards or maintenance issues promptly, and modelling and teaching respect for the environment and resources. Families are responsible for understanding and respecting the service's environmental guidelines, providing feedback and reporting any concerns about safety or maintenance, supporting sustainability initiatives and safe practices at home and in the service, and ensuring up-to-date information about their child's needs is shared. By working together, we create a safe, welcoming, and inspiring environment for every child, family, and staff member. Thank you for watching this training module on the physical environment policy. Let's continue to prioritise safety, inclusivity, and quality in every aspect of our physical environment.